Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here. In this video, we're gonna learn or we're gonna explore more about OpenAlgo themes, right? So that is what we're gonna do in this session. It's gonna be a very short one. So let's go back to OpenAlgo. So here OpenAlgo is running by default. It is running in live mode, and you can see that there is a theme switcher over here. So people who are already using OpenAlgo, they know that OpenAlgo supports three different themes. So one is the dark theme, and then another one is the light theme, right? And if you move to analyzer mode, so if I click on that, from live mode we'll be moving to the analyzer mode, which is our sandbox mode. There's a small change in the latest version. The latest version is 1.0.0.35. It's all about different themes. A lot of theme implementation has been happened in the latest version. So if I switch to analyzer mode, right? So yes, it comes up with an standard theme called Dracula. Earlier we used a garden theme, but now with the new migration, with the latest version, we are started using the Dracula theme, right? And if you are in an analyzer mode, you will not be able to switch themes, right? So you can see that even if I try to click on that, the dark and light theme, it is not going to happen. But only if I move from analyzer mode back to live mode, I will be able to change my themes, right? I'll be able to change between dark and light themes. But if you want more customization, right? So you can always go to the profile section of yours. From there, you can go to the theme preferences. And from the theme preferences, you can go and change. Literally 30 plus themes are available right now. So let's say I want to go with an something like a lemonade theme, right? So lemonade theme is a kind of a cool theme, like I like to try. Or probably, let's say like I want to go with an let's say a completely different theme. Let's say like Lofi. So Lofi is like kind of again another completely blackish white theme it is. So if you want to go with that style of theme, you can always go with that, right? But no matter what, if you change to analyzer mode, you always end up only with the Dracula theme, which you cannot change at all. So that everyone knows that if you are using Dracula theme, it is you are in an analyzer mode, and it also shows that there is an analyzer mode is there. Sometime back there are a lot of small theme glitches was there. All those theme issues has been sorted out in version 1.0.0.35. So that way you can go and choose whatever the theme of your choice. So let me know what you are thinking about this simple feature, right? So I hope this solves your basic idea about how to switch themes in OpenAlgo, right? So more interesting features are lined up. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye-bye.